Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 16. Juseyo, which is used to say please or please give me in Korean. Again, the term Juseyo is used to say please or please give me when you are requesting for something. How do you write Juseyo in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. First syllable Ju is written by drawing first a jiet and an U character. The second syllable Se is written by drawing first a siyut character followed by an E character. And the last syllable Yo is just the combination of the Iung character and the Yo character itself. Let's try to use Juseyo in a sentence. When we say Sagwa Juseyo, it's the same as saying an apple please or may I request for an apple please. When we say Don Juseyo, it's the same as saying money please or please give me some money. When we say Mekju Juseyo, it's the same as saying beer please or may I order or request for a glass of beer please. And with that, you've just learned Juseyo. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 6 to 15. But don't forget our word for today, word number 16, Juseyo. This is used to say please or please give me. Word number 15 is Mekju. This is the Korean term for beer. Word number 14 is Don. This is the Korean term for money. Word number 13 is Sagwa. This is the Korean term for apple. Word number 12 is 감사합니다. This is a formal and shortened way of saying nice to meet you in Korean. Word number 11 is Yeoboseyo. This is used to say hello when answering the phone. Word number 10 is Annyeong. This is a short informal term used to say hello or goodbye. Word number 9 is Gomawo. This is an informal way of saying thank you. Word number 8 is Annyeonghi Gyeseyo. This is used to say goodbye when you are leaving the place first and the others are staying. Word number 7 is Annyeonghi Gyeseyo. This is used to say goodbye when you are staying and the other people are leaving. And the last word for our review, word number 6, 잠시만요. This is used to say just a second, or this is used to pass through a crowd. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul. We're going to discuss about Jalga. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.